This video is going to show how to draw a board outline in OrCAD X Presto. Modern electronics come in a variety of shapes and sizes. PCBs must match fit with the enclosure, so custom board outlines must be used. OrCAD X Presto makes it easy to draw irregular, curved, and polygonal board outlines. Let's start by drawing a polygon outline. Open the provided design in OrCAD X Presto. Select ECO, Draw Design Outline from the menu. From the Design Outline widget, you can select whether to draw a custom polygonal, rectangular, or circular board shape. In the polygonal mode, you can choose to draw lines, tangent arcs, or perpendicular arcs. The line mode is selected by default. Select Polygon. Click to start drawing the first line of the shape in the canvas. For this example, we'll click to place a vertex approximately 80 millimeters to the right. The length and angle of each line are shown under the cursor. To lock the line angle to 90 or 45 degrees, press A on the keyboard. Let's add a chamfer to our board. Click to place another vertex at a 45-degree angle to create a chamfer. A white guideline is shown between the cursor and the start of the shape. Now let's add an arc to our outline. Press Q to cycle through the drawing mode in the Design Outline widget. The Tangent Arc option is selected and the line attached to your cursor changes to an arc. Click to draw an arc using the angle and radius measurement as a guide. The arc mode can also be used to draw a horizontal line. Click to place another vertex under the start of the first line. The start of the first line is indicated by the white guide line turning magenta. Click to draw another arc below the horizontal line. Now let's draw an irregular arc. Click to draw the arc below the line with an angle by moving the mouse down, then to the left to create the angle. Click to draw another arc to return to the orthogonal mode. Press Q on the keyboard twice to return to the line mode. Keep drawing lines and chamfers as needed until the board outline is complete. Hover your cursor over the start of the board shape. The outline turns white, indicating that the shape is completed. Click to close the shape. The route and component keypins are automatically drawn and the old outline is removed. Choose the Select mode from the toolbar to clear the Design Outline widget. The board outline can be modified and adjusted after it's drawn. Let's add a notch to make room for a mechanical feature. Select the outline in the canvas, then right-click and select Edit Boundary. Select the desired edge to draw the notch. A new drawing line automatically appears. Click to draw the notch a short distance across the line, then click again to finish. The notch is automatically added, and the route and component keypins are adjusted automatically. Quickly draw a board outline in OrCAD X Presto with polygons, curves, and lines to create custom PCBs. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.